up, y'all, man? It's your boy Fuse. Now for real, Mr. Yes, sir. Man, today I got a good one for y'all, man. Team Savage car meet. You know it's nothing but exotic cars, all right? I'm gonna show y'all all the shenanigans when we get there. My car is currently getting wrapped, so it's in the shop right now, so I don't have my car, so I'm riding with my man Big BTV.
Yeah, what's up?
Yes, sir. Hey, y'all know he just got a brand new 2020 Mustang GT. It's the what is it, grabber green, or how you say it?
It's grabber lime.
Grabber lime?
Yeah.
All right, grabber lime green.
Pack.
The performance pack grabber lime green Mustang 5.0, man. Y'all, this thing is, I mean, it's my first time riding it, y'all. It's cool. Like I like it. It's pretty, you know what I'm saying? I rock with it. And it's a neck breaker too. I've noticed that people have been like breaking their necks to look at it, because it's like, you know, it's like a little slime ball, you know, just like ride and you're just like, what's that? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, so I'm gonna see y'all in a little bit when I get to the meet, and I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about when I say exotic. Yes, sir! Y'all see what I just pulled up in? Ooh, man. So look, it was full parking, so we had to find like a whole other parking lot to park. Look, we got some more cars out here. But yeah, so let's go walk over there and see what they got going on. Look at out here, man. It just goes on, man. There's so many cars out here. Rolls Royces, I8s, big dog shit, GT, hey man. Porsche, Lambos, Rarries. These cars, I don't even know what to say about it. Like, this is all motivation for me. Man, it's lit, y'all. These crazy cars. Woo! Yes, sir. Danny!
What's up, baby?
What's up, baby? Hey, man, big shout out Team Savage.
You know what to do. Savage Car Show, May 30th. We out here being peaceful, being quiet, coming together, networking. You know the deal. Shout out to Babescat doing his thing. Follow Fuse World.
Hey, man, it's lit. I'm turning up. Hey, I'm gonna show them everything, y'all. So y'all stay tuned, man.
Follow Team Savage, baby.
Yes, sir. Hey, man, we got the vlog crew in the building.
What's
Yes,
going on, boss
sir.
man? Fuse World here.
Banging on my
Got the
chest.
whole group out here, man.
Yes, sir, man. I see y'all, man, out here dripping for real.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Getting all the right content. Ooh.
Big wing gang.
Ooh. Yes, sir. Man, we out here dripping at the Team Savage car, man. So I had to show y'all the drip real quick, man. Check me out. I got the Jeremy Scott Gorilla Adidas, man. Ooh, he got his own drip. Look at this shirt with the Adidas drip on there, man. Stop playing with me, man. Big ape shit, Gorilla going crazy, bass cat banging on my chest. We in the jungle, man, it's lit. Ooh, yes, sir. Thought they was gonna hide this Ferrari from me on them 4Gs. Ooh. That's crazy, y'all. Look, and they got this Audi R8 back here, too. Sheesh. Oh, excuse me. Hold up. Who's getting hold over here? Oh, my goodness. Hold up. Oh, y'all taking the homie's car? Hey. Let me read the sign. Hey, man.
We'll put our streetwear.
We're gonna be right over there, bro.
How much are y'all trying to get it for?
It's 174 for a tow.
No, I know.
Drop this in the yard and ask for a baby. We're gonna be right there.
Yeah, that's messed up, y'all. Look, we just trying to do good for the community, and they're towing this shit. Oh man, that's crazy. 175 just to get the car.
They got it on the hook, and he got it.
All right, y'all, man. So if y'all still watching right now, tuning in, do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up, man. Let me know if you enjoy some of these cars. If you see one of your cars, it's like a dream car to you or something like that, drop in the comments right now. Which out of all these cars that you've seen in my video is your favorite car? And make sure you subscribe right now too, man, if you've seen this, please, man. I got crazy content coming. I got videos on top of videos, y'all. But for now, I'm gonna get back to this. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit more what's going on. Y'all seen they just towed someone's car, and look what just pulled up behind me. They're ready to go to war out here, y'all. Ooh! This McLaren, man. That thing is crazy, y'all. Y'all, so at the Team Savage meets, y'all, you know where it's at. this location was at like, you know, a little bar slash restaurant. So like, you come get food here, drinks, lounge around, and then the car show's over here to the side. So here's a little top view from up top, kind of show y'all all the cars and, you know, kind of what it looks like here at the spot. Team Savage calling me. Yes, sir. Wait. Nah. If Stone ain't pull up on me, man, one time at Team Savage, talk to him. What's up, man?
I'm
He
mad.
out here dripping, dog.
I'm mad because my car, I can't bring my car over here, so my car's over there lonely, but
Hey, DJ
Fuck it.
Stone, man, y'all gonna tap in with my dog.
you
It's
already
my
know
brother
what it
right
is.
here, man. It's
Big
family.
trip.
Ooh.
Big rocks, you know what I'm saying? How we doing it? You already
When he
know.
got the gold sixes on?
Man, light, super light.
Oh,
Super
man.
light.
Yeah, you see me, I came out here with the Jeremy Scott.
Yeah, I know, I see it. I see them in a while.
Hey, you feel me?
What's your car at?
Hey, man. Okay, we just showing out here. Yes, sir. Oh, man. What's going on out here, man? Oh, I see you out here, big dripping out here, man. Yes, sir. Ooh, that's a fresh fit, y'all. Oh, man, McKinney just pulled up, man. Oh, my dog. Yes, sir. Hey, man, y'all see what's going on out here?
Hey, I need to get one of them.
Hey, man, big dripping, y'all. Y'all, right now, if you're watching this, drop in the comments how much money you think is on this lot right now, man. All the cars put together, everything you can see, and how much money do you think is on this lot right now? Hey, you got the bird out here. I see you with the parrot. That's nice, man. I like that. Ooh, it's a jungle out here. I'm telling y'all.
I'm willing to put my car up for your car.
Whoa!
No bid, man.
No, man, come on, man.
No bid, man.
You do no bet?
No.
The Packers and the Texans watching against Aaron
I
Rodgers?
don't do no bid, man.
I'm
bet
trying to
against
get
you,
them,
though.
y'all. Huh?
I bet against you, though.
Racing?
Yeah.
Racing?
Yeah, football.
Oh,
yeah.
I play basketball.
Basketball,
I put the pads on there.
Hey, I had scholarship for that, too.
Come on, man. Hey, I got a red eye. You got the demon, man. I'm telling
That car
you.
right there?
Yeah, the colorful shit. We raced that thing one
Red
day.
Eye Barber.
I don't know about that, man. For sure, man. For sure, man.
Big Kenny, man. That's
sure.
I
crazy.
tried to get him, y'all, man. Green Bay, we still coming down here, man. But that's my homeboy McKinney. He played for the Texans, man. Show him love, man.
Out here, Team Savage, man. Big dog
We
shit.
got the crew out here, Babe Scat. We got Kayla. Y'all already know Team Savage. We got Alex in the building. Hey, lady, say hey, lady.
Nah, for
Put
real.
your place
Hey,
in,
jungle
nah, for
looking
real.
thick right now. You dig what
That
I'm
boy said
saying?
ain't no jungle. This is a motherfucking safari. It is.
Hey, nah, for real. Hey, y'all, 1 in 11 to be correct. Ferraris to be in here. Yes, sir. Beautiful car, man. Y'all be safe, man. Drive home safe. That's a whole M ticket. Hey man, this somebody's tuition right here, y'all. Y'all, look at the inside of this Aston Martin, y'all. This is fucking bananas right here. Hold on. First of all, let's appreciate the paint real quick, y'all. This is a crazy color right here. Oh, this thing crazy. Nah, damn, bro. Like if this don't motivate you, I don't know what will. I don't know what. If this don't motivate you, I don't even know what to tell y'all, man. This shit crazy. We got 10 plus, we got millions of dollars sitting on this lot right now, y'all. Hey, y'all, we getting lit right now. Hey, y'all see what's going on, man. We taking shots. We got the gang with us. What up, family?
Come on now, baby. You already know what it is, my G.
Hey, yes, sir. Hey, man, we getting lit right now, man. Y'all took them already? God damn, they left me behind, y'all. It's all good, man. Cheers, man. Success 2020, man. We're going up. Yes, sir. Yo, hey man, you got the bake drip on you real quick. Hey man, you see what's going on?
Big money.
Man, yes sir. Man, as y'all can see, I've been having a great time out here, man. Everyone's out here enjoying themselves, straight park and chill, no crazy stuff, no dumb stuff. Just straight good vibes, y'all, man. Team Savage out here. Yes, sir. Hey, so man, if y'all enjoying this video, man, go ahead and give me a thumbs up real quick, man. Show some love. Drop a comment, y'all. We not done yet, though. Where you going, Stone? You leaving?
Man, I'm finna dip, man. It's
Man,
hot.
He tried to sneak out on me, y'all. Y'all
It's
see that?
hot.
He didn't even tell me.
It's hot.
Man, I love you, brother.
I love you too.
Where you
my boy.
going?
Keep doing your thing. Congrats on your YouTube channel.
Yes, sir. I appreciate you.
Keep fucking it up.
You know we gonna do that. Oh, you lit.
I'm good.
Oh, you lit. Hold up. Hey, man, he got them bosses now. He don't know how to act. Wow. Oh, man.
Give me about 2 more weeks. It's gonna be ready. It's gonna be ready for camera. 2 more
DJ
weeks.
Stone, man, y'all go tap in, man. That's my brother right there.
Rich Life Stone. Make sure you follow me on Instagram.
Rich Lifestyle. I'm gonna put the Instagram on right here. They gonna see it.
Appreciate you.
Oh man, I see you out here, man. IX Exotics. Hey man, I see you out here. Big one. Hey. All right, man, and go ahead and do some crazy shit for us. Hey, no Oh man.
The neighbors
Just pull off for us, man. Okay. Hey, do like some donuts right here. Woo! It looks like this gonna be the end of the video, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this Team Savage car meet full of nothing but exotics, man. It's starting to clear up now. People are starting to leave. So, yeah, man, just let me know what y'all think in the comments. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see y'all in the next video, man. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Yes, sir. We out, man. Fuse World! Y'all, McKinney's easy. He's out of here, man.